Southern California, known for its pristine beaches and glamorous lifestyle, hides a darker reality: wildfires. Fueled by dry conditions, strong winds, and high temperatures, these fires can spread at an alarming rate, turning paradise into peril. Imagine waking up to a clear blue sky, only for it to transform into a smoky nightmare by noon. That's the harsh reality for many residents here. What starts as a small flame can quickly engulf entire neighborhoods. The speed and ferocity of these fires are nothing short of terrifying. The 2020 Bobcat Fire, one of the largest in Los Angeles County's history, burned over 115,000 acres. Homes, wildlife, and natural habitats reduced to ash in mere days. It's a stark reminder of nature's untamed power. But it's not just the flames that cause havoc. Smoke from these infernos creates hazardous air conditions, leading to respiratory issues and long-term health problems. Schools close, businesses shut down, and life comes to a standstill. Yet, amid the devastation, stories of resilience and heroism emerge. Firefighters risking their lives on the front lines, battling relentless flames to protect communities. Neighbors helping each other evacuate, sharing resources, and offering support. It's a testament to human spirit and solidarity. Climate change plays a significant role in the increasing frequency and intensity of these wildfires. Rising temperatures and prolonged droughts create the perfect storm for these disasters. It's a wake-up call for us all, to take action, to mitigate, and to adapt. Southern California's wildfire saga is a complex tale of destruction and hope. It's a reminder of the fragility of our environment and the resilience of our communities. While the scars left by these fires are deep, the lessons they teach us are invaluable. So next time you see a news headline about a wildfire, remember, it's more than just a story. It's a call to action, to protect, to preserve, to appreciate the delicate balance of our world. Stay safe, stay informed, and support your local fire safety initiatives. Together, we can face the flames and build a safer, more resilient future. Bai Bisdak.